Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on the best products in the market.
Today, we've got something special for all the lawn enthusiasts out there.
We're diving deep into the world of mower deck parts with the best John Deere L130 mower deck parts available. So, what makes these parts stand out from the rest?
Let's break it down. First off, we've got a comprehensive 48-inch lawn mower deck rebuild kit, perfectly compatible with John Deere models from 2002 to 2004, specifically the L120 and L130.
This kit comes equipped with everything you need to get your mower deck back in prime condition. Inside the kit, you'll find 3 spindles designed to exact specifications, ensuring a seamless fit for your John Deere. Accompanying them are 3 idlers and 3 blades, each engineered for optimal performance and longevity. And let's not forget the one belt to tie it all together.
Now, what sets this kit apart is its remarkable compatibility. Whether you're rocking a GY 20050 or a GX 20250, these parts have got you covered. Plus, they're tailor-made for the 48-inch decks on the L120 and L130 models, guaranteeing a perfect fit every time. But what good are parts if they can't withstand the rigors of lawn care? Fear not, because these components are built to last. Crafted from durable materials like aramid, they're ready to tackle even the toughest mowing tasks with ease. Now, let's talk installation. Nobody wants to spend hours fiddling with complicated parts, right? Well, you're in luck. Customers rave about how easy these parts are to install, saving you time and frustration in the process. So, there you have it folks, the best John Deere L130 mower deck parts on the market today. If you're looking to give your lawn mower a much-needed upgrade, look no further than this rebuild kit from Bomusou. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on all your favorite products. Until next time, happy mowing!